In deepest dark we dwell, we wander lost, a solution we compel. Groping forward, no path in sight. In our hands a single guide, a tangent's light. The lamp illuminates our feet, a clue to find our way. Seeking the slope, a new position we survey. With faith we take a step, repeating endlessly, drawn ever closer to the solution faithfully. Newton-Raphson, where's the solution we seek? In the darkness, step by step, we'll reach the place of truth so deep. A maximum elusive, the summit veiled in mist. Climbing the mountain, a solution we insist. Groping forward, no path in sight. In our hands a single guide, tangents guiding light. The guidepost shows our place, the path to reach the peak. Seeking the slope, a new position we beseech. With faith we take a step, repeating endlessly, drawn ever closer to the solution faithfully. Newton-Raphson, where's the solution we seek? In the darkness, step by step, we'll reach the place of truth so deep. It's not so complex, just a first order Taylor approximation, approximating curves with lines, a simple calculation. Yet it takes us to lands unknown.